Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Linear Inequalities exercise 6.3 question number 11. Let's see the question. Solve the following inequalities graphically. So we are going to solve it by graphical. 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 4, x plus y is less than or equal to 3, 2x minus 3y is less than or equal to 6. So we can't solve an inequality. So we are going to take it to be equal to. So let 2x plus y is equal to 4. Here x plus y is equal to 3. Let so 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. By taking this, we can solve for x and y. Substituting the value of x or y, we can find the another one's value. If I take x to be 0, x 0, y will be equal to 4. If I take y 0, x will be equal to 2. In this case, if I take x 0, y will be 3. If I take y 0, x will be 3. Here, if I take x 0, y will be equal to minus 2. If I take y 0, this will be equal to 3. So we have found the points. 2 points is more than enough to draw a graph. So take only 2 points. Mark it on the graph. We'll draw the line over here 0, 4. So 0, 4, 2, 0. So join the 2 points, extend the point so that next 0, 3, 3, 0. This is the second graph. Now for the third one, 0, minus 2, 3, 0. So this is your third graph. Now take any point from this side or this side of the graph. Any point. I am going to take 0, 0. If 0, 0, we don't have any intersection of 0, 0, we can take 0, 0. It will be easy for us to solve. So taking 0, 0, substitute it in the equation. Substitute 0, 0 in the equation. Here we get 0 is greater than or equal to 4. Here 0 is less than or equal to 3. Here 0 is less than or equal to 6. According to this, 0 is not greater than 4. This is false. Here 0 is less than 3 is true. Always see the less than or symbol, not the equal to symbol. Here 0 is less than, this is true. So in this graph it should be away from the origin, this 2 towards the origin. Therefore the shaded region should be away from the origin. Here in this 2 case, shaded region should be towards the origin. So now we will mark in the graph. This is your first one. First one, it should be away. So your shaded region will be off this side. Now for the second one, it should be towards the origin. It should be on the origin. So we will mark this way. And for the third graph, it should be towards the origin. So we'll mark this way. The common region of meeting point of all the 3 is here. So we can mark only here or even here. So this is the region where all the three intersect. So this region, all the three intersects. So this shaded region will be your solution of the given inequality. Therefore the common shaded region shows the solution of the given inequalities. This is your final answer. We need to complete it. That's all with the sum. Thank you.